Hi everyone and welcome again to this short video series. In today's video, I will be talking about 2019 exam question number 2. So we look at the study matrix again on StudyNinja website. This question came from the topic of rates. So this rates topic, and it was an easy question, which was a question type 1. So let's go to this section. So these kind of questions either ask you to calculate a rate or answer questions using a rate which is given in a question. So these are very easy marks that you should expect in part 1. So please don't miss out on them. So let's open 2019 question number 2. So what you have here is different values for sugar that are sold, and what the question is asking you is, what is the best buy? Means which one is the cheapest out of all these options. So let's take the question out. So I've got the question over here. To solve this kind of question, okay, before solving that, how does it relate to rates? The way it relates to rates is each of these options you have are in different units, so they are not comparable. The first thing you need to do is make them consistent so you can compare each of them. You cannot compare 100 gram of sugar with a 1 kilo of sugar. Of course, 100 grams is going to be cheaper than 1 kilo. But what you can do is, there are two ways of going about it. Either get what is the price of a sugar per gram of sugar, how much dollar you need to pay, or get how many grams of sugar you get for $1. Either way is going to work. So the way we will do this is we're going to use uh, per gram how much dollar you need to pay for each gram of sugar. So let's start with this. You've got 100 grams for 40 cents. So that means you are paying 0.4 for option A. You're paying 0.4 per 100 grams, right? So whichever quantity you want to be 1 unit, you put it in the denominator. So because we want per gram how much it costs, so we are putting 100 in the denominator. So what you'll get would be $0.004, right? We'll do the same for the option B. In this case, it'll be 1.65 divided by 500, which gives us $0.0033033. You do the same for option C. There is a twist in option C. The units are not consistent. Here you have got grams, here you have got kilograms. So make sure you make this as grams as well. So $3.5 it's costing you to get 1,000 grams of sugar, because you want them to be consistent. You want it all to be per gram how much it's costing you, right? So what you will get would be 0.0035. Next, you will do the same for option D. Again, because it's in kilograms, we will convert it into grams. So 6.9 divided by 2,000, which will give us $0.00345. Now you have, and for clear, to make it more clear, pretty much what we are getting here is how much dollars we need to pay to get 1 gram of sugar. Now it's all consistent. We can compare all of these. So out of all these, option B is the cheapest option, because that's where we are paying the least price to get each gram of sugar. So your answer to this question would be option B. So to learn more about rates, you can go to the topic of rates on StudyNinja under resources section, and inside this topic you will find how different ways this question can be asked, what are the different kind of things you need to know. Different examples we have got over here. There are 5 different type of question types, and this video from Mr. Borges. And under the resources section, you will find some interesting study notes as well.